Here's the layout for all 4 wiring harnesses for the C2. The 2 lights you see are the dome lights, and they are activated by the switches here on the passenger side when the doors open and close. On the driver's side, here from this plug all the way back is the harness for the chassis. This is powering through this battery here, the servos, radio, and transmitter. From this connection point forward is the harness for the body. It powers all the lights, from the front park lights, the front lights, the rear park lights, the brake lights. All these. This is the harness for the starter and fan. Of course, this harness here you'll see it's not connected, but it would run all the way back and connect back here to this glow plug driver and the batteries to power the glow plugs for the engine. This switch here and these switches here actually correlate to these positions on the dash. This switch is connected to a 12-volt battery and controls the fan. I'll let it run. This switch here turns on the dash, as well as the clock light, front park lights. These are the rear park lights. This switch here turns on the front lights. These lights here are brake lights. I don't have them powered. These connectors connect to the switch that turns the brake light on and off when the brake is engaged. Lastly, it's the radio. Bluetooth speaker. In the dash. It's on, flashing there. Access to turn it off and on to the glove box. McFadden and Whitehead, ain't no stopping us now. Covered by Wayman Tisdale, rest his soul. All right now.